Today we're gonna make a sandwich using the clay. Alright, so let's get started. We're gonna make a wet cheese sandwich using the clay. We have different colors of clay. We'll take the beige color, the brown color, the red color, the green one, and the lemon yellow. So we have these 5 colors of clay to make our sandwich. And these tools: a roller, big cutter, small cutter, roller cutter, zigzag cutter, and the rolling pin. Now let's make our sandwich. So first we're gonna take the beige color clay and the brown color clay. We're gonna use them to make the bread slices. So we're gonna take the beige clay first, and with the help of a knife, let's cut it into 2. Press it well and spread it out using a rolling pin. Spread it well. Alright, so we'll cut the slice using the rolling cutter, and we'll smooth out the edges. With the other part, we'll do the similar thing. We'll spread it out with the rolling pin. Cut with a knife to make the shape. We can use our hands to spread it more. One side is rounded and the other one straight. Alright, so we have 2 slices of bread. This one's bigger, so let's cut it out to make them equal size. And now, we're gonna make the crumb for the side of the bread, which is darker in color. So let's take the brown clay. Roll it with a roller. You can also use the rolling pin if you're more comfortable. Spread it well. Alright. So now, with the help of the knife, we're gonna cut out a strip like this. This strip, we can cut more strips like this because we need to cover 2 slices of bread. Let's clean the tabletop so that the clay doesn't stick on it. Now let's take the bread slice and place the crumb around it, all the sides. Cut the extra part. You can pierce some dots on it so that it gives it a natural look. Like this. The bread piece is ready now. We're gonna do the same for the next one. I think the crumb strip is gonna be short, so we're gonna cut some more from the brown clay. Let's keep this aside and put the crumb strip around the second piece. Like this. Cut out the extra, use the other strip. Well, we pierced this slice with a knife too. So 2 bread slices are ready. Now we're going to make the tomato pieces using the red clay. So we'll cut the slices using the knife. Let's take 2 small pieces. Press it with the fingers and roll it. Now, using the rolling pin, let's spread them out. Make sure it's round like tomato. Using the knife, we're gonna make the pattern of the inside of the tomato. Similarly, we'll make the pattern of the inside of the tomato on the second one too. And let's place them on this slice of bread. Let's take the yellow clay now. For the cheese, I've already created a cheese slice, which is square. We'll poke some holes on it to give it a texture. We'll place it on the bread slice like this. Let's keep it aside. And now, let's take some green clay and we're gonna make some green lettuce. So we have the green color clay. We take a chunk out, another chunk. We'll spread the 2 chunks out using the rolling pin. We're going to use the zigzag cutter for the pattern on the edge of the lettuce. Like this. We're gonna fold the lettuce like this. And we'll place it on the cheese. I really like crunchy lettuce in my sandwich. Let's make one more lettuce piece. So we take the green clay, spread it with a rolling pin, and with the zigzag cutter, make the pattern on the edge, like this. And we're gonna put another one, heating out from the sandwich. Our yummy sandwich is ready! If we want to garnish it, we can take a small chunk of the red clay, roll it on the tabletop, like this. And make a smiley. Let's assume it's ketchup. Yay! The yummy sandwich is ready now. Have a happy meal. Yay! Smiley sandwich. Hello, friends! So today we're gonna play the magic show and learn a few tricks of magic through the classical magic show. Let's see what's inside. This is the instruction book. These are the magic cards. These are some more magic cards with numbers inside. And this is a calculation wonder. And this is the magical cone. The whirling compass. And these are the dice. And this is a rope. This is the magic wand. These are the 3 tumblers. We can call them cups. In this packet, we have 4 balls, 2 coins, and 3 rabbits. And these are smaller cups. And this is the magic bat. So these are the props that we're gonna use to learn the magic tricks. Now we will learn 81 magic tricks using these props. And we are gonna learn 81 magical tricks with these props. So now, which prop should I choose? Alright, it's gonna be the dice today. And we're gonna do a trick with the dice. As you can see, the surface of any dice is very small. Like this area is really small. So it's easy to place one dice on another, but it's quite difficult to put 2 dice on one single dice because the area is doubled. That's a single dice and these are 2 together. Let's try placing them on a single one. Oops, they fall off. Let's see if it's possible. Let's try again. No. they can't sit on the single one, they fall off. Let's try it the other way. Maybe this works. Oops, no, it doesn't work. So, I think I need to do a magic. But before that, let's check. We place 2 dice and then we try to place 1 dice over these 2 dice. It is actually quite easy to place a dice on 2 dice. Like this, you see? But if we do it the other way and place 2 dice over 1, it doesn't work. But I have a trick with which I'm gonna make these 2 dice sit on a single dice. That's the magic. Do you wanna learn it? Alright, I'm gonna show you first. So I'm gonna show you a magic trick now. And these 2 dice are gonna sit on a single dice. So alright, my little friends. You're ready to witness a magical trick. Abracadabra, the spell of dice. Ta-da! The 2 dice are sitting on a single dice. Wow, this is such an interesting trick. And you must be wondering, how did that happen? Do you want to know? Alright. So let me tell you. Time to reveal the magic. So here we have 3 dice. And now the trick is that we would need some water on the fingertips. So I have taken some water on both the fingertips. A little water, maybe a drop or 2. So once the fingers are wet, we're gonna wet the surface of the dice that is facing up, like this. Now you have to do it smartly so that the viewers don't notice it. Now what we're gonna do is, we have to join the 2 wet faces of the dice like this. Just the wet sides, you have to remember that. Oops, maybe we need some more water. So I'm getting a little more water. And then let's try joining the faces of the dice. And then place it on the single dice. There you go. So with the help of the water, the faces of the dice stick together and they're able to sit on the single dice. That's the trick and that's the magic. You can try it at home and impress your friends. I hope you liked it. Have fun!